to question answer. Jnanatma has some 7-8 questions collected from various devotees. Let me answer those questions. Especially a lot of participants are devotees who registered for Varanasi IA. Many questions they have. Jnanatma, read out the questions, I'll answer.
The first question we have, Swamiji, how will third eye awakening help me achieve what I want to achieve in life? How will blindfold reading help my child do better in school? How will that help me in manifesting the material wealth?
See, first thing, don't call blindfold reading. Actually, when your third eye is awakened, one side effect is blindfold reading. I am not a magician, jadugar, teaching how to read blindfolded. Relax. First of all, reading itself is stupid. I never read in my life. You are asking, how will my child do better in school? Stupid. I myself never did better in school. Arey, your child will do better in life. When I went to Yogi Ram Surat Kumar and asked, will I pass examinations? He said, you will pass in the life go. I am giving the same blessing to your kids. They will pass in the life. Who wants to pass just in the school? I tell you, all the fellows who went to the same school I went, the same years, who took class first, class second, above 90, above 80, distinction, dandanaka, dundunuka, all those fellows don't have such beautiful golden childhood I am having. Understand? When I look my childhood back, it is all so sweet and beautiful. Such rich childhood. When I go to that city again I became a child. You should see me in Thiruvannamalai. Again I became child. You can never imagine I can run so fast. If you are walking with me, going around Arunachala in the night time, that's the usual time I go around Arunachala hill doing Girivalam. If you walk with me, then you will understand. Oh God, still Swamiji can run this fast. No one will be able to catch my speed. You will see me again as a child. The moment I see every place, there is so much of sweet space, joy. Of course, when I see the school, it looks very new because I never went there. This third eye awakening will make your kids do better in life, not just school. School is too small thing in the life. I think this question must be for my Indian middle class, lower middle class Indian parents. All the time haunting their kids, study, study, study. They make the study almost like a bhuta. Study, otherwise you will be spoiled, as if all the studied fellows are all successful in the life. All the distinction engineers carry the file, get the salary, work under an industrialist who is 10th passed. All those industrialists run behind the politician who are 5th passed, 6th passed. All those politicians touch the feet of Swamis who never went to the school. And succeeded in the life, understand? So if you are a first class engineer with a distinction, you can only carry files. Forget about this stupid education mania. India is suffering with this stupid education mania. And that stupid education also created by that. To produce clerks. See, British wanted large number of clerks. So the clerk creating education they created in India and made so much of craze. So all the middle class, lower middle class parents of India, their only dream is give education to my son and push him into the well. Whether he survives or dies, that I don't care. In 1900s, the goal is, if it's a girl, educate her, somehow get her married. No, not even educating her. Just somehow get her married. If it's a boy, somehow get him a job. Stop being education maniac. How thousands and thousands of kids, I can say lakhs of kids, their mind is irreparably damaged due to examinations and the tortures given by the school teachers and parents, especially the 10th grade government board exam, 12th grade government board exam. The peak of stupidity. Please understand, as a conscious being, responsible for consciousness of the society, understand, all dentists are responsible for dental health of the humanity. All heart specialists are responsible for the health of the heart of the humanity. All the psychiatrists are responsible for the mental health of humanity. Enlightened being is responsible for the conscious health of the humanity. From that responsibility, I am telling you, these government examinations, the pressures created by the parents and teachers around the government examinations do irreparable damage to the consciousness of the kids. Listen carefully. How many of you, even after completing your government examinations, even after 10 years, 15 years, you dream that you missed your examination, you were sick on the examination day, you did not go to write the examination. How many of you have this kind of dreams? Raise your hand. Even after 10, 15 years. These are all the irreparable conscious damage done. Please raise the hand, let everyone see. It's an irreparable conscious damage. For that stupid who won in the Panipat war, who cares? Because tomorrow for my livelihood I have to make only Pani Puri. Better to learn how to make Pani Puri than who won in the Panipat war. Anybody thinks I am intelligent. Be very clear. I attribute my intelligence to not going to school. Understand? Some may accept I am enlightened, some may not accept. Some may accept I am an incarnation, some may not accept. But even my enemies accept I am intelligent. It is non-controversially established. Truth, I am intelligent. I am attributing my intelligence to not going to school. Anybody follows me, accepts me as a guru. Any of my disciple will not destroy your kids by sending them to regular school. If I have to write 10 commandments, this will be one in the 10 commandments. You will not destroy your next generation by sending them to regular so-called school. By putting them into the fear, torture, suffering of the so-called examinations and doing an irreparable damage to them. Third eye awakening will make your child do better in life. And I want to tell you, the IQ of my Gurukul kids, 160, 140. Anything above 120 is genius, gifted. Not just one or two kids, such large number, 140. Thou shalt not destroy your next generation by sending them to the so-called schools and causing irreparable damage to them by putting them in the fear and greed of examination and rank and result. One of my commandment, understand. If I have to give 10 commandments, this will be one commandment. Thou shalt not give birth. If that mistake is done, will not make them as buffaloes by sending them to regular school. And I tell you, awakening of third eye, they will simply know how to manifest what they want in their life, whether it is material wealth, luxury, comfort, joy. They know how to create a society around them as they want. Ability to create the society around you as you want is intelligence. Develop a society around you as you want is intelligence. That will be awakened when a child's third eye is awakened. Many of the kids who came to our engineers program, when they go back to school and start doing blindfold reading, teachers are afraid to come near them. Teachers are afraid to talk to those kids because those kids will find out what you are thinking. Thou shalt not give birth. If the mistake is done, shall not reproduce yourself on them by sending them to the so-called school, torturing them with those board examinations and doing irreparable conscious damage to them. All the Hindus should resist the Western way of education. I don't know still why Hindu mind in India is not yet awakened against this stupid Western methodology of degrees and diplomas and education. The whole Macaulay's mad strategy, mad methodology. Don't be Macaulay maniac. Indian education system and Indian parents are just Macaulay maniac. Especially middle class and lower middle class. And this neo middle class. Neo middle class is having 25 certificate by selling your brain. Neo middle class.